Leno wanted me to test drive his car. I don't really drive stick, but this will be a fun little experiment, especially since we're just doing his build video. So let's try this out. It's already a lot more power than my car. Just gotta say that. All right, so first let's engage this. Is that good?
Turn more, turn more.
Not too bad, not too bad. I'm not used to low cars, sorry. So.
Let's see if he stalls.
Oh my god, this is scary. Oh. Not bad, right? Yeah. What do you think?
You're doing pretty good.
This scares me. See, I always go into neutral with the cars.
Are you in first?
Yeah, right? Or is that...
Stay in second.
Okay.
Car only likes being in first if we're really, really slow like this.
Okay. See, like, this is the... See, I'm not used to any of this. What do I... Let's go straight. Is this first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It'll beep otherwise.
Ah.
Rip.
Damn!
Considering you don't do this all the time.
Yeah. This is tight. The seat feels really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a Miata right there.
Yeah. It's damaged on the other side. He drifts.
Oh, he drifts? Okay, I put it into second. I don't know if that was okay.
That's fine.
Alright, let's try this again.
Give it a little more gas because you're...
Ooh. Okay, well...
It's okay. So how does this compare to driving the 350?
The 350 is actually harder.
Go first. We're at a stop. You can go first.
Is that first?
Yeah.
Okay. The 350 is a lot heavier on the clutch, but this is a little bit more difficult to drive than the SI, but it's easier than the 350 for sure. 350s has a heavier clutch. The steering is way worse, or it's like way heavier.
In the 350?
Yeah. The 350s is really heavy. And I stalled like immediately out because we were test driving it in on a sloped, a little bit of a slope. It's not like a hill, but not able to reverse his car in yet, so I got the master himself to do it.
Watch me run into my brother's car. I have stalled an ungodly amount of time when I first started doing this, and I still do it today. As you can hear my bad revving and almost stalling right there. Treat this like a rotary. That should be good.
Thanks for letting me film your build and test out your car.
No problem, anytime.
Make sure to check out his build video live on the channel now, and like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.